Hello guys, this is Afin Side Blog. So guys, today I talking about how to set up a eBay account sale. So guys, this is very easy and simple way. This is so many people don't know how to create or how to set up eBay account with sale. So today I show you very easy way and simple way. So guys, please follow the video and one by one I show you step by step. Let's do it. So guys, first you need to open your Chrome browser. When you open your Chrome browser, you need to search eBay. When you search eBay, after coming this page, okay, like I search eBay. When I search eBay, there are buy, sell and save to today. So I click there. When I click there, coming this page. When I come this page, I need to create how to set up an eBay account to sell. Okay, so first I need to click my eBay. When I click my eBay, he asks me my username or email, or I want to create my own account. So I need to create first my account. When I click create my account, after he asks me there my name, my email and password. So you which one you look, your personal account, your business account. I select my business account. When I select my business account, I want to search there my business name and business email. Just I need to check my new email. Okay, check. When I add my new email, then temporarily coming my please verify your email. So he already sent me one code number, so I select this code there. I paste there. Okay, when I paste there, click verify. Already verify. I skip. When I skip, he asks me my details. Okay, address and details. When I click continue, he asks me verify my number. Okay, so I want to verify my number. Now you need to add your payment method. So guys check, already I create my own account. Now I can sell my item. When I add my bank details, then already I verify my account. Okay, selling sale. When I click the sale, the created. When I click there, now I listing details. I add temporary name, title and subtitle there, which item and category, which category, then everything. You can which item, also you can add 12 more than 12 picture for your item, then you can save and click there. So guys, this is very easy way. Check there, have my account somewhere. Now still my 00 balance, because I still not upload my any t-shirt or anything. So guys, thanks for watching.